At the new Foundry Lee Sustainable Community site in Bridport, 2 bridges were needed to span the Simene River, which runs west to east through the development. A total of 19 prefabricated concrete arch sections were delivered. A mobile crane was brought into site to carefully lift and position each section. Kemp has been involved in the project from the very start, carrying out the initial boundary survey back in 2023. This year, our site engineer, Josh, has been setting out the infrastructure and the first phase of the housing so far. For the bridge, Josh marked out the foundations and the exact positioning of the levelling pads, making sure every element was precisely placed according to the design. With each arch weighing about 30 tonnes and a tight schedule to stick to, there was no margin for error. The section had to fit, not just onto the base, but together as a complete structure. Once finished, the bridge itself will be buried and hidden beneath the road, seamlessly blending into the landscape above.